In this video, I'll show you how to set up MacWhisper on your Mac, quick and easy. Let's get into it. First, head over to macwhisper.com or just Google MacWhisper. Click Purchase at the top right. You'll see a different plans. Choose MacWhisper Free or Pro depending on your needs. Tap Purchase, then enter your email and tap Get. You'll be asked if you want to upgrade. Just tap Don't Upgrade if you want to stick with the free version. Now click Download. Once it's downloaded, open the .vmg file. Then open the app. If you get a macOS security prompt, just click Open to continue. Inside the app, simply drag and drop your audio or video file onto the main window. Choose the language of the audio. Now, pick a model. If you're just starting out, select the tiny or base model for faster results. If you want better accuracy, you can always upgrade to medium or large models later. And that's it. You've now got a fast, powerful transcription tool running on your Mac with zero complex setup.